At night time, as the noise made by crickets was breaking to silence, and the dark sky was lit by stars, Imam Reza, peace be upon him, heard a knock on the door. He stood up and walked toward the door with a light in his hand. The Imam asked who it was behind the door. The answer was, "It's a guest." The Imam opened the door with delight, warmly greeted the guest, who replied to his greeting. The Imam shook his head and said with a kind voice, "Welcome." The guest entered the house and said, My journey was difficult and lasted a full month." The light went off suddenly because it had run out of fuel. The guest said with shame, "Forgive me for troubling you so late at night." The Imam smiled and said, "We as family love guests." Then he went to the courtyard to put some oil in the light. The guest tried to help the Imam, who did not allow him, and said, "We are not a family who trouble their guest." Imam's voice was soft and gentle, and penetrated the guest's heart instead of his ears.